Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to clone your voice with AI. So let's get started the video. First open your browser and visit 11 Labs. Then sign into your account, or if you don't have an account yet, then create one. Once you are signed in, you will see a home screen like this. Then from here go to voice. Click on this plus icon. From here select Instant Voice Clone. This option allows you to create a voice clone using a short audio recording. So depending on your account and current plan, voice cloning features and limits may be different. Now record your voice or upload a clear audio file. Click here to upload your voice. Once uploaded, then click on Next. The quality of your audio can affect how natural the final voice clone sounds. Now give your voice a name. Then add levels. Now select your accent and then gender. Then confirm that the recording is your own voice or that you have permission to use it. After that, click on Save Voice. The AI will process the audio and create your voice clone. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.